Take your acoustic panel kit and lay out a design on the floor. Take the first panel in your design and place it on the wall approximately where you'd like it and mark its position. Using a level, mark a line on the wall where your design will align. Affix impaling clips to the wall where the first panel will be placed. Align your panel to the clips and to your markings on the wall. Press the panel into the clips. Position your second panel to the level line and use measurements to make sure it's in the right position. Attach impaling clips for the second panel onto the wall. Using the level line and your measurements, place the second panel on the wall and press into the impaling clips. Repeat the process for the next panel by measurements and marking placement on the wall. Affix your impaling clips to the wall and press the panel into the impaling clips. Repeat the process for the next panels. We recommend using 3 impaling clips for triangles, hexagons, and circles, and 4 impaling clips for squares and rectangles. With your last panel in place, your design is complete.